Now it's recording. It's recording. Oh shit! That was about to hit me. Okay, I'm gonna go right behind it right here. No, wait, no, that's still not safe enough. You don't know what's gonna happen with this shot. What?
What? Oh!
Okay. Don't make it. Miss. Third time of try. Oh, see, I would have got nailed right there. I don't even know how that's possible, but according to Jordan,
Okay, dude.
Hey, how about we put this on YouTube?
Zoom it in.
Okay, I'm doing it right now. I zoomed in. What are you doing? See, zoom in, zoom out. Duh. God. I'm watching you. Miss! Oh my God.
Oh yeah, tight shoes.
Yes. Ew.
That's tight. Okay, go ahead us.
Can we please put this on YouTube? I want to watch your funny layup. He didn't leave.
You can't pick it up.
You threw it into the hedge's backyard, Jordan.
You just chucked it in there.
Isn't it locked? Isn't it locked because they went to Canada?